Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we have a special story for you. It is about meeting someone new, a neighbor. Have you ever met a new neighbor? Maybe someone moved to your street. Maybe you moved to a new place. Meeting new people can be exciting, but also a little scary. What do you say? How do you start a conversation? Don't worry. Today you will learn simple words. You will learn easy sentences, and you will feel ready to meet anyone. Let's begin.
Part 1. Someone new on the street. This is a story about Emma. Emma is 25 years old. She lives in a small apartment on a quiet street. She likes her neighborhood. The people are friendly. The streets are clean. There is a small park nearby. Emma has lived here for 3 years. She knows her neighbors. There is Mr. Kim on the first floor. He is 70 years old. He always says good morning. There is Sarah on the third floor. She has 2 cats. Sometimes Emma helps her carry groceries. Emma likes her neighbors. They are like a small family. One day, something changes. The apartment next to Emma's, it was empty for 2 months. But now, someone is moving in.
Part 2. Moving Day. It is Saturday morning. Emma wakes up late. She hears noise outside. What is that sound? She looks out the window. There is a big truck on the street. A moving truck. 2 men are carrying boxes. They go up and down the stairs. Box after box. Someone is moving in today. Emma feels curious. Who is her new neighbor? Is it a man or a woman? Young or old? Maybe a family with children. She watches for a moment. Then she sees someone. A young woman. She has brown hair. She is wearing jeans and a t-shirt. She looks tired. She is carrying a small box. Emma thinks she looks nice. Emma wants to say hello, but she is still in her pajamas. Maybe later, she thinks.
Part 3. Emma gets ready. Emma takes a shower. She gets dressed. She puts on comfortable clothes. A blue sweater and black pants. She brushes her hair. She looks in the mirror. Okay, she says, I will introduce myself. But wait, Emma has an idea. She will bring something, a small gift. What do people give to new neighbors? Cookies? Yes, cookies are perfect. Emma goes to her kitchen. She opens a cabinet. She finds a box of chocolate cookies. They are delicious. She bought them yesterday. These are perfect, she thinks. She puts them in a small bag. Now she is ready. She takes a deep breath. She feels a little nervous, but also excited. She opens her door.
Part 4. Knocking on the door. Emma walks to the next apartment. The door is open a little. She can see boxes inside. Many boxes. She knocks on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Hello, she says. Is anyone there? She hears footsteps. The door opens more. The young woman appears. She looks surprised. Then she smiles. Oh, hi, she says. Emma smiles back. Hi, I'm Emma. I live next door. Oh, nice to meet you, the woman says. I'm Lily. They shake hands. Lily's hand is warm. Her smile is friendly. Emma already feels comfortable.
Welcome to the building, Emma says. Thank you so much, Lily answers. Everyone seems so nice here. Yes, we have good neighbors, Emma says. She holds up the bag. I brought you something. Chocolate cookies. Lily's eyes get big. Oh, wow, that is so kind of you. Thank you. She takes the bag. I love chocolate. This is perfect. Emma feels happy. The gift was a good idea. So, Emma asks, where are you from? I'm from Canada, Lily says. Toronto, but I moved here for work. Canada, that's wonderful. I've never been there. You should visit someday, Lily says. It's beautiful. Emma nods. What do you do? For work, I mean. I'm a graphic designer, Lily says. I work for a small company downtown. That sounds interesting, Emma says. It is. I love my job. How about you? I'm a teacher, Emma says. I teach at an elementary school. A teacher? That's amazing. Kids are fun. Yes, but also tiring, Emma laughs. Lily laughs too. They are getting along well.
Part 6. Talking about the apartment. Lily looks back at her boxes. Sorry for the mess, she says. I have so much to unpack. Don't worry, Emma says. Moving is hard work. Yes, it really is. I've been carrying boxes all morning. Do you need any help? Emma asks. Lily looks surprised. Really? You would help me? Of course, Emma says. That's what neighbors do. Lily smiles. That is so nice of you, but maybe later. Right now, I just need coffee. Emma laughs. I understand. Coffee is important. Do you know any good coffee shops nearby? Lily asks. Yes, there is a great one on Park Street. It's called The Daily Bean. The Daily Bean. I love that name. Their coffee is amazing, and they have great pastries, too. Perfect, Lily says. I will go there tomorrow.
They keep talking. Emma leans against the doorframe. Lily sits on a box. How long have you lived here? Lily asks. 3 years, Emma says. I moved here after university. Do you like it? Yes, very much. The neighborhood is quiet. The rent is not too expensive. That's good to hear, Lily says. My last apartment was so noisy. Oh no! What happened? My neighbors played loud music every night, until 2 in the morning. That sounds terrible. It was. I couldn't sleep. That's why I moved. Emma nods. Well, don't worry. This building is very quiet. Mr. Kim goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Lily laughs. 9 o'clock? That's early. He is 70 years old, Emma explains. He's very sweet. I can't wait to meet everyone, Lily says.
Part 8. Sharing phone numbers. Emma takes out her phone. Hey, she says, let me give you my number. Oh, yes, please, Lily says. She finds her phone in a box. Okay, I'm ready. Emma says her number slowly. 555-234-8901. Lily types it. Got it. I'll send you a message so you have mine. Emma's phone buzzes. She looks at the screen. Hi, Emma. It's Lily, your new neighbor. Emma smiles. Perfect. Now we can stay in touch. Yes, if I have any questions, I can ask you. Anytime, Emma says. Really, don't be shy. Thank you. You are so kind. Oh, by the way, Emma says, let me tell you some useful things. Yes, please, Lily says. I don't know anything about this area. Okay, the closest supermarket is on Main Street. It's called Fresh Mart. Fresh Mart on Main Street. Got it. They close at 10 p.m. Good to know. And the laundry room is in the basement. The basement, okay. You need coins for the machines, or you can use an app. Which app? It's called WashPay. Very easy. Lily takes notes on her phone. This is so helpful, she says. Also, Emma continues, trash day is every Tuesday. Tuesday. Got it. You put the bags outside your door in the morning before 8 o'clock. Before 8. Okay. And recycling is on Thursday. Tuesday trash,
Thursday recycling. Perfect.
Part 10. Making Plans. Emma looks at her watch. "Oh, I should let you unpack," she says. "Yes, I have a lot of work to do," Lily agrees. "But hey," Emma says, "are you free tomorrow evening?" "Tomorrow evening? Yes, I think so. Would you like to have dinner together? There's a nice Italian restaurant nearby." Lily's face lights up. "I would love that." "Great. How about 7 o'clock? 7 is perfect. I'll come knock on your door." "Okay, I'll be ready." They both smile. "I'm really glad you moved here," Emma says. "Me too," Lily says. "I already feel welcome." That's what neighbors are for. They wave goodbye. Emma walks back to her apartment. She feels happy. She has a new neighbor and maybe a new friend. Part 11. The next day. Sunday comes. Emma spends the day relaxing. She reads a book. She cleans her apartment. She watches a movie. At 6:30, she gets ready. She puts on a nice dress. She does her hair. She puts on a little makeup. At 7 o'clock exactly, she knocks on Lily's door. Knock, knock, knock. The door opens. Lily looks beautiful. She is wearing a green dress. "Ready?" Emma asks. "Ready," Lily says. They walk outside together. The evening air is cool and fresh. They walk to the restaurant. It is only 5 minutes away.
The restaurant is called Bella Italia. It is small but cozy. There are candles on the tables. Italian music plays softly. Emma and Lily sit at a table by the window. A waiter comes. "Good evening, ladies. What would you like to drink?" "Water for me, please," Emma says. "I'll have water too." "Of course. Here are the menus." They look at the menus. "What's good here?" Lily asks. "The pasta is amazing," Emma says. "I always get the spaghetti carbonara." "That sounds delicious. I'll try it too." They order their food. While they wait, they talk.
"So tell me more about yourself," Lily says. "What do you want to know?" Emma asks. "Do you have any hobbies?" "Yes, I love reading, and I do yoga on weekends." "Yoga? That's great. I tried yoga once. I was terrible." Emma laughs. "It takes practice. Maybe you can teach me someday." "I'd love that." The food arrives. It looks delicious. They start eating. Lily says, "This is so good." "I told you." "Okay, now I have to ask you something," Lily says. "Sure, what?" "What's the best thing about living here?" Emma thinks for a moment. "The people," she says. "Everyone is so friendly." "I can already tell," Lily says. "What about you? What do you like to do for fun?" "I love painting," Lily says, "and hiking." "There's a nice hiking trail near here," Emma says. "Really?" "Yes, about 30 minutes by bus. Beautiful views. We should go together sometime." "Definitely!"
Part 14. Becoming Friends. They finish their dinner. They share a dessert, chocolate cake. "This is so nice," Lily says. "What is?" "This, meeting you, having dinner. I was so nervous about moving." "Nervous? Why?" "I didn't know anyone here. I was scared of being lonely." Emma understands. "Moving to a new place is hard," she says. "Yes, but now I feel better." "I'm glad." "Thank you for being so welcoming." "Of course. And remember, I'm right next door, if you need anything." "I know. That makes me feel safe." They pay the bill. They split it 50-50. They walk back home slowly. The stars are out. The night is beautiful.
They arrive at their building. They walk up the stairs together. They stop between their two doors. "Thank you for tonight," Lily says. "Thank you. I had a great time." "Me too." "Same time next week?" Emma asks. "Yes, let's make it a tradition." "Deal." They laugh. "Good night, Emma." "Good night, Lily." They hug. A warm, friendly hug. Then they go into their apartments. Emma closes her door. She smiles. What a lovely evening. She has a new neighbor and a new friend. Sometimes life surprises you. Sometimes the best things happen when you least expect them. All you have to do is say hello.
Okay, my friend, let's remember what we learned today. Emma met her new neighbor, Lily. She brought cookies as a gift. They introduced themselves. "I'm Emma." "I'm Lily." They talked about their jobs. Emma is a teacher. Lily is a graphic designer. They shared phone numbers. Emma gave Lily helpful information about the neighborhood. They made plans for dinner, and they became friends. Simple conversations, kind words. That's how friendships start.
Thank you for watching today. Thank you for learning with me. You did an amazing job. Now you know how to meet someone new, how to introduce yourself, how to ask simple questions, how to be a good neighbor. Remember, a smile and a kind word can change everything. Don't be afraid to say hello. You never know who you might meet. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Press the button. Join our family. We make simple English videos for you. Easy to understand, easy to enjoy. Leave a comment below. Do you have a friendly neighbor? Tell me about them. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. Keep smiling. Be kind to your neighbors. Goodbye, my friend. See you soon.